Welcome to Everyday Tech Explained. Today we're diving into the world of smart gadgets that can transform your garage workshop into a high-tech haven. We're going to explore some seriously cool tech that can upgrade your workspace, making it more efficient, organized, and even a little bit futuristic. From smart workbenches with built-in power outlets and wireless charging to intelligent lighting systems that adjust to your every need, we're covering it all. We'll break down each gadget, exploring its features, benefits, and how it can take your workshop to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, these smart gadgets are here to make your life easier and your projects even more enjoyable. So let's gear up and get started. First up, we're talking about the heart of any workshop, the workbench. But this isn't your grandpa's workbench. This is a smart workbench, packing enough tech to rival a spaceship. Imagine a workbench with built-in power outlets strategically placed so you never have to fumble for an extension cord again. And we're not just talking standard outlets here. Think USB-C ports for fast charging your devices, wireless charging pads for your phone, and maybe even a built-in screen to display schematics or follow along with tutorial videos. But it doesn't stop there. Some smart workbenches come equipped with integrated tool organizers, keeping everything within arm's reach. Picture magnetic strips to hold your screwdrivers, drawers with custom compartments for your wrenches, and even pegboards that light up to show you exactly where each tool goes. And for the ultimate inconvenience, some models even feature adjustable height settings. With the push of a button, you can raise or lower the workbench to the perfect ergonomic position, saving you from backaches and making those long project days much more comfortable. No more hunching over, no more straining, just pure unadulterated crafting bliss. A smart workbench is all about maximizing your efficiency and making your workflow as smooth as possible. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to keeping your workspace organized and powered up so you can focus on what really matters, bringing your projects to life. Next up, let's shed some light on the situation, literally. Good lighting is crucial in any workshop, and a smart lighting system can take your illumination game to a whole new level. We're talking about LED lights that are brighter, more energy efficient, and infinitely customizable. Imagine this. You walk into your workshop, and motion sensors instantly detect your presence, bathing the space in a warm, welcoming glow. No more fumbling for light switches or working in the shadows. But it gets even cooler. Many smart lighting systems allow you to adjust the color temperature of your lights, from warm white for a cozy ambiance to cool white for maximum focus during those intricate tasks. And if you're feeling really fancy, you can even sync your lights with your music, or set up different lighting scenes for specific activities. Working on a detailed woodworking project? Choose a bright, focused beam. Need to relax and brainstorm ideas? Switch to a softer, more diffused light. Some smart lighting systems even integrate with your smart home ecosystem, allowing you to control your lights with voice commands or through an app on your phone. Hey Siri, dim the workshop lights to 50%. Just like that, you've set the perfect mood without even lifting a finger. With a smart lighting system, you're not just illuminating your workspace. You're creating an immersive and adaptable environment that enhances your creativity and productivity. We've all been there. You're in the middle of a project, the creative juices are flowing, and then bam, you can't find the right screwdriver. It's enough to make you tear your hair out. But fear not, fellow makers, because the Smart Tool Organizer is here to save the day. This isn't your average toolbox. This is a high-tech storage solution that brings order to the chaos. Think of it like a librarian for your tools, knowing exactly where everything is and keeping it readily accessible. Some smart tool organizers utilize RFID technology to track your tools. You simply attach small RFID tags to your tools, and the organizer can tell you exactly which drawer or compartment they're located in. No more rummaging through drawers or emptying out your entire toolbox just to find that elusive 10mm socket wrench. And it gets even better. Some models even feature built-in weighing scales so you can keep track of how much material you have left for a project. Need to know if you have enough screws to finish that bookshelf? Just place them on the scale and get an instant reading. And let's not forget about the visual appeal. Many smart tool organizers are designed with sleek aesthetics and durable materials, adding a touch of modern sophistication to your workspace. Now let's talk about security. Your workshop is your sanctuary, filled with valuable tools and irreplaceable projects. So, it's essential to keep it safe and sound. That's where a smart security camera comes in, acting as your virtual watchdog 24/7. But this isn't your average security camera. We're talking about intelligent cameras with features like motion detection, night vision, and two-way audio. Imagine you're away from home, and the camera detects movement in your workshop. You'll receive an instant notification on your phone, allowing you to tune in live and see what's happening. And if it's just your neighbor's cat trying to sneak in for a nap, you can use the two-way audio to politely shoo them away. But the real peace of mind comes from knowing that your workshop is being monitored around the clock. Whether it's deterring potential intruders or simply keeping an eye on things while you're away, a smart security camera provides an extra layer of protection for your beloved workspace. And with cloud storage options, you can record and store footage, so you have a visual log of your workshop activity. From documenting project progress to having evidence in case of any unfortunate incidents, a smart security camera is the ultimate silent guardian for your workshop. Finally, let's talk about the glue that holds all this smart technology together, the Smart Assistant device. Whether it's a smart speaker or a smart display, having a voice-activated assistant in your workshop is like having a personal assistant at your beck and call. Imagine this, you're up to your elbows in a project, and you need to convert millimeters to inches. Instead of stopping what you're doing to search for your phone or a calculator, you simply say, "Hey Google, what's 100 millimeters in inches?" Just like that, your smart assistant provides the answer, allowing you to stay focused on the task at hand. But it doesn't stop there. You can use your smart assistant to set timers for projects, play music to keep you motivated, or even control other smart devices in your workshop with voice commands. Hey Alexa, turn on the workshop lights. Hey Google, set a timer for 30 minutes. Your wish is their command. And with the rise of smart home ecosystems, you can even integrate your workshop devices with your smart assistant, creating a seamless and interconnected workspace. Thanks for watching. We've explored some awesome smart gadgets that can transform your garage workshop into a high-tech haven. From smart workbenches to intelligent lighting systems, these innovations are all about enhancing your efficiency, organization, and overall enjoyment of your craft. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting, incorporating even one of these smart gadgets can make a world of difference in your workflow. So embrace the power of technology and take your workshop to the next level. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. See you next time.